The idea of sample space under the topic probability can be understood just as follows. Alright, so what do we mean exactly by sample space? So the sample space, alright, is basically the collection of all possible outcomes. Right. So let's say, for example, same thing as back into the previous example. I have a particular dice itself, and a dice itself basically is labeled from 1 to 6. All right. So what is the sample space? It basically means that it is the all possible outcomes. So for the sample space of a dice, all right, the sample space of a dice is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so basically these are all the possible outcomes when you throw a dice. All right, so let us delve into further. So what happens if you have 2 dice? All right, and you have 2 dice, and each die is labeled for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. All right, so what is the sample space, okay, of the sum of 2 dice? All right, so the sample space of the sum of 2 dice is basically, it starts from 2. All right, because the minimum value that you can get from these 2 dice when you add them together is actually 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the maximum value you can get is 12, and that will be if you roll 2, 6. All right, from the 2 dice itself, you roll 2 sixes. All right, so this is when you roll 2 ones, right? 2 ones, right? And then this is when you roll 2 sixes. All right, 6. Okay, so basically this is just a summary of what is the idea of sample space. So the idea of sample space is very simple. It is just a collection of all possible outcomes. All right, and that's it. All right, if you guys have any question in regards to the idea of sample space, you can comment in the comment section below. I'm Bob, signing off from here, and I will see you in the next video.